Today we feature the fifth principle from Tony Robbins Unshakeable. A diverse portfolio will help you protect against changing trends and market crashes. So now we come to the fourth principle of the core four, which is perhaps the most familiar. Diversify. This is an important and well-known rule since diversifying your portfolio is a traditional and reliable way of protecting your investment. It's the financial equivalent of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Essentially, by having a diverse portfolio, you can ensure that you'll still have healthy investments even when trends change and those inevitable yet unpredictable shifts in the market occur. So, don't put all your money in one asset class, such as real estate. If you do, you may find out just how quickly it can all vanish when the market comes crashing down, as it did in 2008. There are 4 ways you can diversify across different asset classes, within asset classes, across different markets, countries and currencies, and across time. Different asset classes include stocks, which are shares of companies, real estate or bonds, which allows you to invest in an invest-bearing loan between two parties. Adding more than one asset class to your portfolio is a great way to diversify, as is making multiple investments in the same asset class. So rather than investing only in Microsoft stock, you can also buy some shares of Apple and Hewlett Packard Bell, just in case Microsoft runs into a crisis. Also, you need to remember that the financial markets are global, and you should feel free to look beyond your country's borders. Finally, diversifying your portfolio across time means that you should always be adding capital to your portfolio. Whether you do this monthly or yearly, the market is always fluctuating, and you can improve your chances of latching on to a new trend by adding new assets on a regular basis.